First, mask off the area around the light to protect the surrounding surfaces during the cleaning process. Wash the surface with 39362 Sim soap and a gray scuff pad to remove contaminants. Rinse with water and dry. Clean with 38353 plastic leather prep to remove contaminants such as mold release agents or grease. Wipe dry in one direction. Wet sand the surface with 400 grit sandpaper to remove the factory coating. Removing the factory coating is important to ensure proper adhesion. Next, wet sand with 2000 to 3000 grit sandpaper to remove any 400 grit sand scratches. Re-clean with 38353 plastic leather prep. Wipe dry in one direction. Mask off the entire area around the headlight to protect from overspray. Remember to shake Solaray UV headlight repair well before use. Spray 2 coats of Solaray UV headlight repair, allowing a 2-minute flash time between coats. Allow the final coat to flash for 5 minutes before exposing the UV lamp. Cure using a UVA band light at a distance of 10 inches or 25 centimeters for 2 minutes. Please note that the cure time will vary depending on lamp energy output and size. Compared to simply sanding and buffing the headlamp, Solaray UV headlight repair provides a durable clear coating to protect the headlamp from further degradation. Other clear coats may deteriorate and yellow over time, or cause crazing of the plastic lens after application. Only Solaray provides a permanent OEM quality coating that will last for years.